Hi, good evening, good morning, anywhere you are now. Welcome in this session. And we will talk in this session about dynamic link, dynamic list. So you can add to this list, remove and rename, reorder of the items using the online form, and in the same at the same time you can use this list as options for other uh, options field on the online form, so that you can select an option from a list. So but at first, a quick introduction. We are talking here about software. This software I have developed over 10 years of developing and still developing it. You can install totally free from Adobe Exchange. Go to the website exchange.adobe.com and then go to Creative Cloud and search here for TreeShade, TREE, then shade, and you will find here. It's an extension for Adobe InDesign and Adobe Bridge, in addition to Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, for updating placed links. So if you have link inside the InDesign document as Photoshop file or Illustrator file, these files will be updated, and any action have the name TreeShade will be executed dynamically on the files. So that's it. But also the software, I forget to mention that it has local server, and this local server is important for online editing. After installing, you will have this after installing and determining the root folder for your project files. TreeShade will copy this file main.js to the root folder, execute as Node.js server. It's easy to set up, it's not difficult. Just install Node.js, search online for Node.js, and you will find it's from Google, nodejs.org. It's developed by Google. Click here, get Node.js, and after installing, you need just to write this command, node main.js. But to connect the local server to be online, you need this surface also, ngrok. So search for it and install. And in their website you will have instructions to execute the command. It's easy also. So you need to search for ngrok. You can use different service as you want, but I see that this service is easy to install and easy to set up. It's free if you don't want a specific domain, but if you want specific domain, it costs about $8 monthly. So here you need to install to the root folder the same location of main.js and execute. There are here dashboard for ngrok. In that dashboard you will have the command, easy to copy and execute. Okay, now let's start in the session after this introduction. So after determining the root folder, you will have this folder, workshop, and within this folder you're supposed to put your project files and edit them. Let's create empty folder here. I'm using now Adobe Bridge, and by the way Adobe Bridge is free, so you can install Adobe Bridge and install TreeShade on it free. Adobe Bridge just need an account, Adobe account, and you don't need a subscription. Let's write here options. Okay, we have this folder options inside workshop. From TreeShade menu you have submenu new, these files installed with the software, so you will find in the root folder in initial a new folder. You can reveal the folder here. See, initial new, you have template files. These files revealed here as command. So here the same command actually represent the files here. You can edit the file, you can add more files, remove from them. In addition to that, you can add a new folder to be revealed here as template by this command, add a new path. Now let's go back to our folder, options, and from TreeShade menu let's create online form. So select online and let's keep the same name. Now if we double click the file, you can open the online form, so the end user can edit the content here. But now we don't have content, the empty is folder. So let's start. Let's say that we want layout have icon and text beside it, and the icon the end user can select a list from a list of icons. He couldn't upload a new one, but the list itself have separated online form, so you can add new icon to the list in different online form. So at first let's say let's make a design document, a new creative cloud in design. Also this file installed with the software, just as template file, so you can duplicate the document in the current folder in a quick way. Layout, okay. Now if we refresh the online form, nothing will be displayed. Also the document here, because we didn't check in the document yet. So right click and select check in. Check in as final, no. Now TreeShade automatically will open the document and export PDF and thumbnails for the page for preview. When the PDF file revealed here in Adobe Bridge, in this section, versions PDF, then the checking in action done. Always remember to go back to workshop location. Workshop is the location where you're supposed to edit your files. Okay, now if we refresh the online form, you will have a preview for the InDesign document. It's empty now. So let's edit. Let's open the document and add one icon and one text. Let's make small, like a card, business ATM card or business card. Let's say 85 milli by 54, and let's add text and icon as external content. So we need here we need to create a text file and icon. So let's create folder called content or data or links, what the name you want. And inside content, let's use a new submenu, TreeShade, new text. Let's say service. Let's say that we want to write the service text and icon beside it. And also from TreeShade menu, a new icon. Let's select any one, or let's select PNG file. We want PNG. Let's copy here I have in the new menu list of icons, but they are SVG. I want PNG, so let's copy. I have here in download. And let's rename icon. Now if we refresh the online form, the content will not be revealed because there is no file have the same name of the folder beside it. So you need at least to create text file have the name content. So let's create text file. Have the name content. Now these two paired together. So the file paired to the folder and folder paired to the file. So if you double click on this text file, you can click yes to open the paired folder instead of opening the file itself. If you want to open the file, click no to see its content here. This pairing technique used for rendering content, where each paired file represents the content here inside. And you can write inside the text file how you want the content to be displayed in both in InDesign and in HTML files. So now if we refresh the online form, you will have content as icon and text. Now let's connect the content to the InDesign document as live snippet. So let's open text frame, and while the cursor inside, right click on the text file and select place in InDesign. Here you will have live snippet. The live snippet determined by marker at first and at the end. So you can put inside a story to flow with the text, and the graphic designer can identify the live snippet by this non-bending anchor text frame. So it's just marker here. If you export it, it will not be in the PDF or GPG files. And here at the end you have a special character. It's called end nested style here, to mark the end of the snippet. You can select the non-printing anchor text frame at the beginning and select from live snippet reveal in bridge. So the text file will be selected. Let's create paragraph style. Let's say service. And let's format. Now let's add the icon. The icon just place as a link. Just drag and drop. Let's make object style. For the icon, and here it's important to make frame fitting options. So if the end user upload a new icon, it will automatically auto fit. So here fit content proportionally. And let's assign the object style. Now let's save and check in. Yes. And wait for the PDF to be revealed on Adobe Bridge, to be displayed and selected. So it's done. Go back to workshop by clicking here under workshop to avoid editing output location. Here the green line determine that you are safe to edit. Now let's refresh. Here we have output and design document, and we have content. So here the end user, you can send this URL to anyone, so he can edit the content without editing the design. So he can upload a new photo. Let's say icon, and he writes text. Telecommunications, let's say it's a service. And update. Now, TreeShade in your local computer, will open the document automatically, update the content, export PDF and image for the page, and close the document if it already closed. If it was already opened, it will remain opened. Now, the end user will have a new design simultaneously after 1 minute without your involving. So maybe you are not in your computer. The computer will work and open files and close them. So the end user, as your customer or collaborator with your team, or someone in different department like marketing department, etc. Here you have link for the PDF file, and here the InDesign page, and here the content. Now we don't want the end user to upload icon. We want to select from a list of icons related to a specific theme related to the identity. So let's create here folder. Let's name icons. And inside icons here, now remember that this folder will not be revealed because it has no paired text file. Here content loaded because we have text file have the same name of the folder, but icons it ignored, and we don't want to be loaded here. So inside icons, let's put some icons, or let's put one icon as a placeholder. Let's say email. Let's name ID, capital letters, to make dynamic list. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then inside square brackets, write display part so the end user can edit. Let's say enable as a placeholder. Okay. And let's add online form. So from new, select online, TreeShade new online, and let's keep the same name. Now we can upload the icon list by double clicking here. So now we have two online forms. One for the icons that the end user can upload a new icon. Let's say the graphic designer who is responsible for the icons. He can upload the new icons, edit the label name here. update. Now we can update the content online. So here you will have 3 files: content, marketing, and automation. Now if we want to connect to this icon, so instead of uploading, the end user can select one of them. We can add to the icon here. Let's go back inside content. Remember, we have icon and service connected to Adobe InDesign document. Here, icon add flag to determine that it's an options field, not upload field. So write TS_OBT and make a copying sequence between this file and one of options. So from TreeShade menu, select the copying sequence, then change original. We want original to be one of the icons. Let's say this. Okay, now if we upload, refresh the form, see the end user now couldn't upload a new icon, but he need to select one of the icons here. Here the icon the online, it's not supposed to be displayed here. So let's move to subfolder. Let's move the files here to subfolder. For copying and cutting the files, use the TreeShade command. Instead of cut and copy here, use this pick for change to cut or copy, then use change and one of these, copy here, move here, etc. So let's pick for change and let's create a new folder, list, and let's select change, move here. OK for all. Okay, now let's refresh again. See, now the end user couldn't select anyone except this. Like he can select this icon and write different name. Email your customers. Now we have a problem here that we, after renaming the name, after we rename the icon and add this flag TS_option, we didn't relink or update the link. The link is updated automatically by TreeShade if you rename a file. So anyway, let's relink again. Okay, now here we have options field, and the options can be updated on separate form, online form, like this. I forget to refresh the online form after moving the files inside list folder. So big for change, then inside list, change, then move here. Okay for all. Here to load list folder, we need a text file have the same name, list. Okay. So now if we refresh here, you will have extra icons here. So we have two online forms separated, one for the layout and one for the options of icon. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to ask any question about installing or using the software. You can install totally free from Adobe Exchange, and goodbye.